Hello guys, if you are thinking about upgrading your RAM, then you have to first know how much your computer or system can support maximum amount of RAM. For example, if you have already 4 GB of RAM installed on your computer and you want to upgrade it to 8 GB of RAM, but is your computer support 8 GB of RAM? This is what we know about it in this video with the help of command prompt. By this command we will know about the maximum RAM your computer can support. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, open your command prompt and write down here cmd and enter. Here you have to write down the command wmic and space, then memm physical, and space and get, and write on max capacity. This is the command which will show us how much your computer can support maximum RAM. Click here, enter. Now you can see on the screen that it shows maximum capacity, but it's given in KBs. We can convert it into gigabytes. Here you can see that it's 1 given here. We have to copy this amount of RAM. Now you can see that I have converted it this using converter. This is in KBs and this is the 16. It's approximately 16 GB of RAM. My computer can support up to maximum RAM of about 16 GB. Now if you want to know about how many slots you have in your computer for RAM, in desktops we can easily see physical slots in desktops by opening its cabinet, but in laptops it's little difficult to open it. So there are two ways to know how many slots you have in your desktop computer or laptops. First way is to go to your task manager here and click here task manager, and then in performance tab you can click here, and here you can see memory. Click here, and now you can see here slots used 1 of 2. That means one is used, but there are 2 slots. One is empty and one is having RAM inserted. If we have 2 RAMs, then there will be a 2 of 2. Now the second way is command prompt. We can also use command prompt to see how many slots you have in your computer. So go to cmd again, and here I will increase the font of this cmd command prompt. Now for that thing you have to write the same command but using some more words. Write here comma and then memory and write down here devices and click enter. Here you can see it's not here space, you can write down in a one word memory device. Now you can see both the things are shown here, maximum capacity of your RAM and it is how many slots you have there. Here it shows 2, that means my computer having 2 slots of RAM. This is how you can see how much your computer can support, and accordingly you can upgrade your RAM. I hope you find this video informative, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.